This is Kamran Sultan. Let me share with you three simple ways in which you can become more self-confident. First of these activities is deep breathing. Now, everyone knows and everyone agrees breathing is good. It's necessary to be alive. But most people don't know how to take deep breaths. It's very simple. Imagine as if you have a balloon in your tummy. So when you inhale, that balloon expands. And when you exhale, the balloon contracts. Do deep breathing. Inhale and count to 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this completes one cycle of breathing. Repeat this for 3 minutes. If 3 is too long for you, start with 2 and then gradually increase. Doing deep breathing will help you become mentally calm and relaxed and focused. Second activity. This is something you can do anywhere and everywhere. In NLP, we say when you change your physiology, your state of mind changes. This activity is based on that. It's called power posing. So stand tall with both feet apart, your chest expanded out and, taking more space, and then bring a smile on your face, make a fist with one of your hands and say, yes, inside yourself. Feel that energy, feel that power, and hold that pose for maybe a minute. Repeat this every day, and you will find you will become more confident because when you change your physiology, your state of mind will change. Now, the third activity, and that's a must, is visualization. You can do it many times as you want, and you can do it very easily. This is how you do it. Sit with your eyes closed. Take few deep breaths. You have learned to do deep breathing. Take few deep breaths and then imagine, recall a time from your past when you felt confident. Somebody complimented you, you felt confident, you did something well and you felt confident. Just recall a time of success, of feeling confidence inside you. Relive that moment in your mind as clearly as you can. Recall it as clearly as you can. Repeat several times in your mind if you must. And when you feel those growing feelings of confidence, imagine a future situation where you want to be confident. Think of a time where, for example, you have an interview coming up or you have an important meeting with someone. Just think of that situation and imagine yourself having these feelings inside you, these confident feelings inside you. And notice how other people are responding to that confident you in a very positive way. Repeat this. In my NLP classes, I say repetition is the mother of skill. This is how it works. Repeat, repeat, repeat until it becomes second nature to you. Feel free to share this video with everyone and subscribe to my channel if you want. Thank you very much.